A day in the life of walking around New York City.
Yo,
they
got slides and shit.
Rain. It's a rain night. What it's like on a Saturday night in the rain in New York City. Checking out the puddles. Look, it's a drone. Greenwich Village style. Even on a rainy night in December, still something to do. It's actually pretty hot out, which is crazy. It's the end of the month, going into January. Honestly, it's more of a sweater night, which is nuts. Everything has changed. The seasons have changed. Global warming. It's supposed to be 60 on Monday. That's freaking crazy.